Hey everyone! If you want to create professional-looking photos with custom AI-generated scenes, Photoroom AI backgrounds can help transform ordinary images into eye-catching visuals. In this video, I'll show you how to use Photoroom AI backgrounds from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and access the editor. Once you're logged in, start a new project and upload the photo you want to edit. Product photos, portraits, and social media images work especially well with AI backgrounds. After uploading the image, Photoroom will usually remove the original background automatically using its AI-powered background removal tool. Next, look for the AI backgrounds feature. Depending on the current version of Key, you may find it in the Background Tools, AI Tools, or Editing menu. Choose a background style from the available options or enter a custom prompt describing the scene you want to generate. For example, you might request a modern office, luxury studio, tropical beach, cozy room, or professional product display. The more detailed your description is, the better the generated background is likely to match your vision. And that's how to use Photoroom AI backgrounds in 2026. With AI-generated scenes and easy editing tools, you can create professional visuals without expensive photography setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.